Bumper retainer clips are essential components for securing various car panels and trims in place. In this video we'll review the best bumper retainer clips, comparing their durability, design, and compatibility with different bumper retainer clips. By the end, you'll know exactly why bumper retainer clips is best for your needs. Link in description box below. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. The GOOACC Bumper Retainer Clips Kit is an excellent all-in-one solution for anyone looking to replace or repair automotive fasteners without the hassle of searching through hardware stores. This universal fit kit includes 240 pieces in 12 of the most commonly used sizes, making it compatible with a wide range of vehicles including Ford, GM, Chrysler, Toyota, Honda, and many more. Whether you need clips for door panels, fender liners, bumper covers, radiator shields, or splash guards, this set ensures you always have the right fastener on hand. Made from high-quality, heavy-duty materials, each clip is designed for durability and long-lasting performance, resisting cracking or breaking even during tough installations. The kit also includes a free fastener remover tool, allowing you to quickly remove old clips and replace them with ease, saving both time and money compared to dealership or mechanic visits. With this set, you'll never have to worry about missing or damaged body clips because all the essential sizes are conveniently included. Organization is effortless thanks to the sturdy plastic storage case, which features 12 individual compartments to keep everything neatly sorted and easy to access. Its compact design makes it simple to store in your garage, toolbox, or even inside your car for emergencies. Ideal for DIY car owners, mechanics, and automotive enthusiasts, the GOOACC Retainer Clip assortment provides reliability and convenience, ensuring every repair or upgrade is completed with the right parts. This kit is a must-have essential for maintaining vehicle integrity and keeping body panels secure, making it one of the best value automotive fastener kits available. Thanks for watching the video.